On our trip to Kima, we stopped by the Flying Dutchman restaurant and oyster bar, and I wanted some grilled oysters, so I ordered me a half a dozen, and I'm glad I only ordered a half a dozen because a dozen would have been too many. Look how big these things are. They're huge. So these are the Rockefellers. Well, let me tell you, if you ever see the Flying Dutchman, stop by and get you some grilled oysters. And when you get those grilled oysters, make sure you get you a cold beer. Make sure it's cold, where it's almost freezing. Get you a big old sip. There's nothing like cold beer with oysters and crawfish. So let's try me another one. As you can see, these things are huge. It's the biggest ones I've ever had before. I've been to a lot of places and ate oysters, and these were huge. Maybe it's just the season. And the Cholula, it tastes pretty good on it. That was my first time trying some Cholula with this, but I usually eat mine with Tabasco or hot sauce. My wife got her a drink there, and that was good. But, you know, I got to have my cold beer. And like I said, these things are huge. And if you ever see the Flying Dutchman on the road somewhere, a restaurant, stop by and get you some oysters. Look at that thing. I'm going to zoom in on it and give you a look at that one. So I'm going to try me some Tabasco sauce now. And I think it's better with Tabasco than Cholula. As you see, I better slow down right there. But this Tabasco is the way to do it. Either Tabasco or hot sauce, or Louisiana hot sauce. Let's try one more before we cut this video off. Look at that. Man, I'm happy. Look at it. It's unbelievable how big they are. Thanks for watching, and subscribe to my channel. And have a great day.